Good day YouTube, it's me, SuperMinecraftMe, and welcome to a brand new series on how to make music in Minecraft. In this video we will cover the basics. We can get to the more advanced stuff later on in the future. This is a note block. When you power it, it plays a note. This block was added to the game in beta 1.2 in the year 2013, but on its own, a block like this is quite boring because all it does is play one note. To change the pitch of a note block, right click on it and its pitch will increase by one semitone every time you right click on it. I think you get the point. By default, a note block is set to the note F sharp on the piano, that is here. On screen there is now a piano. Every time that I play the note block or change its pitch, the note that is played will be shown on the keyboard on screen. For instance, the F sharp. The full pitch range of a note block is from F sharp 3 to F sharp 5, as shown here. This is the note G, G sharp, A sharp or B flat, B, and C, and then so on and so forth. Now that we've reached the top note, in order to go back down, you just right click one more time and it goes right back down to the first F sharp, as shown. Now that we can change the pitch of note blocks and we know what they are, we can use lots of note blocks in a line to create a song or a short melody. A melody consists of different notes placed in a long line that are played one after the other. Now this is a boring melody because it only has 5 notes and they're exactly the same. So what you can do is you can change the notes to random notes, and as you can see the melody is more interesting. Here is a melody that I prepared earlier. This song starts on the note C on the keyboard here. As I play the melody, the notes on the keyboard will light up. Watch and listen. Notice how this note is C and this note is also C, but they are an octave difference. Now that you have watched this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content. And here's a challenge. Before watching the next video, make your own short melody using note blocks, at least 5 note blocks long. Record it and put it on YouTube and post the link in the comment section below. Once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial helped you, and stay tuned for more episodes in this series. Bye.